Hey there, Heidi with CandleScience, here to tell you about our new Cactus Flower and Jade fragrance. If you're looking for a perfectly on-trend scent that captures the bright, fleeting loveliness of spring, look no further. Lively and green, this fragrance awakens your senses with top notes of sweet agave and watery aloe. Chrysanthemum petals and green leaves bring a burst of freshness to the middle, while base notes of patchouli maintain a pleasing, grounding earthiness. Try the succulent Cactus Flower and Jade in your favorite soy or coconut wax blend with a seafoam dye block. And in a 3-wick tumbler, topped off with a black or silver lid, you have an incredible handmade candle to rival big name brands. Don't forget your finishing touch, a custom label from Avery Wheat Print. We love this wraparound option for the 3-wick tumblers. This scent is also soap safe, making it a great addition to your bath and body line. Stay on top of what's trending with this fresh green scent. Give it a try and share what you think with a review in the comments below.